Hello and welcome to another short video from CBS Automotive. This is the Peugeot Boxer motorhome that we've been working on. What we've installed is a rear camera system, so we've gone for the dual camera on this. As you can see, you've used bracketing to pull that forward so you get a clearer image. And in the front, we'll show you what that looks like. One of the key things at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio is that we've got full workshop facilities that can carry around about sort of 4 to 5 motorhomes. So as you can see, this is the display. We've removed the factory mirror. So what I'm going to do, I'm just turn ignition on to stage 1. As you can see, a really clear image there. You've got 2 channels on this system, so you can go to channel 2, which goes to reverse, and you've got channel 1, which is like your live feed, acting as though you're reversing camera. When you select reverse, it automatically flicks through down to a reverse, so you can pull up tight to get into those smaller spaces. So for more details on these systems or camera systems or any motorhome upgrades that we can do, please feel free to give us a call. So this is a 68 plate Peugeot Boxer motorhome, and our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and we look forward to working on your motorhome soon. Thank you.